Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get Lego Star Wars profile picture on TikTok. So let's start. First of all, you have to go to your Instagram account and log into your Instagram account and then click on search, and here you just simply click on search and type Lego Star Wars and then click on Lego Star Wars game, and here you just select a picture you want and then take a screenshot of that picture and then go to your TikTok account, and here you just click on edit profile and then click on change photo and then click on select from gallery and then just select a Lego Star Wars phone picture and click on confirm. That's it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.